So for today's project, we would need a blank piece of paper. It can be any size you like to work on, and pencil, eraser, and glue. It can be a stick or it can be liquid glue, a colored paper or magazine, anything that has lots of colors in it that you would like to use. And today's project is inspired by Charles Williams. So if you go to Atlanta Contemporary's website, there is an option to do a virtual tour that would let you see the video so you can see many of the work that's on display today. And we'll focus on the tropical birds. So if you look through the video, you'll be able to see very colorful birds that will be shown to you through the video. And we're going to make our own birds using bright colors today.
So this is the bird, my tropical bird I drew, and I really like the beak that I drew because it reminds me of the rainforest. The next step is to take your scissors, or you can tear the colorful papers to start filling in the bird. So I found these two pieces of paper that I really like. One is ripped and one is cut. So you can decide which style you like, and after this you're going to want to make a big pile of your parts for your bird.
Okay, so this is the finished bird. As you can see, the difference on the edges. So these edges were torn, so it gives nice texture. And then these area were cut with scissors, so it has crisp line to it. And as you can see, we found some bright colors and a little bit of texture that was on the print already. And then you can create fun, colorful bird or any animal inspired by Charles Williams.